Om Sahana Vavatu Sahana Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karvavahe Tejasvinavaditamastu Mavid Vishavahe Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Jai Ma. Jai Ma, sabko Jai Ma. Jai Ma. You know, I'm making Bengali style aloo ki sabzi, which is made in milk, which I really like. So if I'm making any mistakes, all Bengalis, whoever is there, please excuse me. But this is how I make this Bengali style aloo ki sabzi. मुझे बहुत पसंद है और इसको ना आप पराठे के साथ खा सकते हैं. It's yummy. So see, it's very easy. इतने ज़्यादा कोई मसाला वसाला कुछ नहीं है. ठीक है. सबसे पहले मैं ये कूट लूँगी. अदरक मिर्ची. ओके, यहाँ है, देखिए. I've taken 3-4 हरी मिर्ची and अदरक. And you have to take a mortar pestle और इसको कूट लीजिए. ये कूट के रखा है अदरक मिर्ची पेस्ट. ओके, नाउ फर्स्ट गैस चालू करिए. पुट ऑयल. और इसमें कोई ज्यादा मसाले नहीं है. टेक kalonji, lots of kalonji. Measurements are in the description. Okay, इसी का स्वाद है और कुछ नहीं है. And then you take the अदरक मिर्ची paste. Add. Stir. I have taken about 6-7 aloo potatoes. So you can take as many people, you know, it's up to you. And just add. I've cut it in cubes and I'm adding. Wash it nicely, cut it in cubes and then add. You can take 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, whatever you want. Aloo. Mix. It's very easy, very, very easy. Now all you do is put salt so that it cooks faster. ये तो काला नमक है. सफेद नमक. इसमें ना हल्दी ना कोई सूखा मसाला, कुछ नहीं जाता है. And it is delicious. I really like it. अब इसको क्या करना है? What do you have to do? You have to take 1 cup of milk. Add the milk. And add water. जितना पानी उतना मिल्क, जितना मिल्क उतना पानी. And it cooks in this. Now if you need more gravy, you can add more milk and more water. और इसमें it will cook in this gravy. So what do you do? First give it a nice boil. And once it comes to a boil, flame को छोटा कर दीजिए. Put the flame on slow and cover it with the lid and let it cook. And your sabzi is done. See how easy it is, but it is so tasty. Yummy. Do try. I'm sure Bengalis know how to do this, but this is my way of doing it. If I made any mistake, I don't know. But this is my Bengali aloo sabzi in milk gravy. And you have it with paratha. Now I'm waiting for the boil. Then I'll cover it. See, it's boiling. Thoda thoda. है ना भारती? टेस्टी. We've had it several times, है ना? कितनी बार हम लोग ने खाया है इसको. Whenever I don't feel like making anything, you know, like I'm saying, I don't want dal, chawal, roti, sabzi, I don't want any of that, then I make this with paratha. It's yummy. So now it's come to a boil. मैं slow कर रही हूँ flame और इसको ढक देती. Then I'll come back. Let's check. I think it's done. इतना डिलिशियस है ये. यू कैन हैव इट विथ पराठा, अजवाइन पराठा, जीरा पराठा, लच्छा पराठा, रोटी, पूरी, whatever you want to have it with. See, कोई मसाला नहीं है. Very simple, but it's very nice. Okay, it's done. Lovely. Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karvavahe Tejasvina Vaditamastu Ma Vidvishavahe. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Jai Ma. Jai Ma, everyone. I'll see you next time.